As more people are set to retire, there are so many different things to consider, including the various types of insurance. And joining us now is Jesse Sloan. Hi, Jesse. How's it going?
It's going great. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, Jesse, well, tell us about your organization.
So the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance was established in the 1990s. We're basically an advocacy and education organization. Our goal is to help people understand that when you live a long life, and more of us are doing that, the chances of needing long-term care are increasingly high. So how do you plan for it? What can you think about? What are your options? And if you decide to get insurance, what's the best way to do that?
For those who aren't familiar, what would you say long-term care insurance is?
When you live a long life, generally into your 90s, or many people even later, my mom is approaching 100. When you live a long life, your needs change. The things, the care that you need is commonly called long-term care. So you're able to function, but not as well as you used to. You're not able to walk or to dress yourself. You may need help. You may have a cognitive issue. Many millions of Americans suffer from dementia and Alzheimer's. And all of those types of care that you need, most often in your own home, are not covered by Medicare. So you're either going to have to pay for it yourself, or you're going to have an insurance plan, and that's called long-term care insurance.
Okay, and you mentioned much of, the need. What does it exactly cover?
So it covers exactly that, the type of care. If you need care in your own home, it may be as simple as having somebody come in and help you get dressed, maybe somebody to bathe you once or twice a week, maybe prepping food, or you may have dementia and you may need more comprehensive care. So most people get long-term care in their own home. Some get it in assisted living facilities, and some eventually do go into a skilled nursing home. That's clearly the most severe type of cases and the most costly. And that's what long-term care insurance will pay for. It will pay for home care, assisted living, skilled nursing home care, if you get the right policy.
Yeah, can you kind of explain a little bit about the policies? When should retirees purchase this type of insurance?
So that is a big misconception, because like all of us, we all procrastinate when it comes to planning. You need to buy this or investigate this insurance while you're still in your healthy years. Generally, that's your mid-50s and definitely before 65, because once you hit 65, we all qualify for Medicare. And that's when we really start to see doctors. So your health is the most important to at least start thinking about this. And generally after age 75, 78, it's too late to apply. The insurance companies won't accept you.
Well, Jesse, you definitely provided lots of great information there. Once again, shout out your website.
Sure, it's the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance, www.aaltci.org.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
My pleasure.